Welcome to this calculus tutorial. Today, we will derive the formula for the derivative of the inverse tangent function, also known as Arctan x. This is a fundamental result in calculus that frequently appears in integration problems. We start by defining our function y equals arctan of x by the definition of inverse functions. This relationship implies that the tangent of y is equal to x. This rearrangement is crucial because we know how to differentiate the tangent function. Let's visualize this relationship using a right-angled triangle. If we consider y as an angle, then the tangent of y is the ratio of the opposite side to the adjacent side. Since tangent y equals x, we can set the opposite side to x and the adjacent side to 1. By the Pythagorean theorem, the hypotenuse becomes the square root of 1 plus x squared. Now, let's return to our equation. Tangent of y equals x. Our goal is to find the derivative of y with respect to x. We will perform implicit differentiation on both sides of this equation with respect to x. On the right side, the derivative of x is simply 1. On the left side, we must use the chain rule. The derivative of tangent y is secant squared y, multiplied by the derivative of the inside function, which is di dx. We now have an equation linking x and the derivative. To solve for di dx, we divide both sides by secant squared y. This gives us di dx equals 1 divided by secant squared y. We need our final answer in terms of x, not y. We recall the Pythagorean trigonometric identity. Secant squared y is equal to 1 plus tangent squared y. We can substitute this into the denominator of our expression. Remember from our first step that tangent y is equal to x. Therefore, tangent squared y is simply x squared. We substitute x squared in place of tangent squared y in the denominator. And there we have it. The derivative of arctan x with respect to x is equal to 1 over the quantity 1 plus x squared. Notice that the square root from the hypotenuse is gone because we squared the secant term. This result is quite elegant. Even though arctan is a trigonometric function, its derivative is a rational function involving no trigonometry at all. The graph shows the derivative is always positive, with a maximum value of 1 at x equals 0, forming a bell-like curve.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.